Picture this, a tangled web of outdated systems and complicated processes, leading to slow operations, inefficiencies, and broken customer journeys. Welcome to the legacy BSS nightmare faced by many telecom providers. Legacy systems burden telecom providers with inefficiencies, leading to delayed and even missed growth opportunities. In such a fast-moving digital world, building a modular BSS from scratch is certainly not an option. What if you could modernize the BSS without disrupting the existing operations? Like building with Lego blocks, telecom providers can add, replace capabilities that are pressing, optimize it first, and then only move on to next modules, capabilities piece by piece. The BSS Binder connects it all, integrating old and new systems into a seamless whole. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to clarity. Join the agile revolution and unlock the future of telecom today.